Guys, what's up? I'm back and I finally have my Stray Kids I Am You Taiwan edition to unbox for you guys. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this for like 2 months now. I apologize for the bad lighting right now. I just got off work today and I actually received these before I got to work, so I wasn't able to do my unboxing, but I couldn't wait to do it right now, so I apologize for all these like shadows and like layers and stuff. So not the best lighting, but bear with me. So I joined a group order for these again, and I joined from Stray Kids Goes from Cass. Make sure this can focus. I love her so much. She is amazing. She's like the best like Stray Kids Goes out there, so like go follow her. She's amazing. She's honestly like, she knows a lot, so if you ever need help with anything, she's always there. So follow her. She's lovely. I love her. All right. So that's that. So I did ask for these to be unsealed, so I could pick out the photo cards that I want. I feel like that's more easier on me since I'm collecting OT9, and I mean helps me like figure out who I need to collect, and it doesn't give me the chances of getting doubles. So I mean, and it is still a surprise, because at least it's a 50-50 chance that I'm getting who I'm gonna get. I did ask for a Felix set because oh my god, finding his cards are so hard, but and most expensive too. But I don't know, so one of these should contain that. If not, it's random. So I don't know, we'll just start off with this one and save this one for last. So it's still in its plastic, but it is cut here because it is unsealed. So I don't know if I'm gonna take it out of the plastic. I think you guys could still see it like that. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out. So this is the same as like how they did for their I Am Not Taiwan album. So this one contains I Am Who and I Am You. So that's really cool. It's still the same size and like thickness. So like you have your like track. Oh my god, my camera's not focusing right now. There you go. You have like your tracking there. So yeah, it's I Am Who and I Am You together, and it has the all of the MVs, like how it is in the other previous albums, or previous I Am Not album. Ugh. Let's take these out. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Ooh, okay. So this is the digipack where it contains, oh my god, my camera. Where it contains the DVDs and CDs, and oh my god, yeah, it's bringing back the memories. And here's the back. It has the same. Alright. I don't know which way should I open it. Alright, this way? I don't know. So there's the group picture. Oh my god, I look so happy. And then here is I can't tell. I think that is, let me take it out because I honestly can't tell. Oh my god. There we go. I think this is the CD. That's the CD. And then, yeah. And this one is the, oop, there we go. That one's the DVD. And then there's a picture down there too. Oh my god, oh my, the feels. Okay, I really hate the push thing here because I feel like it's gonna break, but whatever. Okay, that to the side. Moving on to the photo book. Oh my god, I feel like this one's more slimmer than the I Am Not one. So I don't know, but it's still cute. Oh my god, I love this. I'm sorry for my lighting, it's horrible. But oh my god, I love them so much. Here's the spine. Wait, is it like this? Oh my god, Stray Kids. Okay, so this is the back. So this is the front. Alright. Oh my. So top, but over here it has the track listing again, as usual. And we start off with a group picture. So we're starting off with I Am Who. And oh my god, yes. I remember when I first saw these for the first time, I like lost it. Bang-chan with his curly hair. Woojin. Mino. Yeah, so like the only difference is from their Korean and Taiwan albums is the pages feel different too. They feel more glossier than the Korean ones felt more like matte. And oh my god, rude. So, ooh, okay, so this is like my random one, I'm guessing. So we got Changbin's photo card. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love his signature. His signature is like so unique. Alright, and then we got Minno's Polaroid. So these actually won't fit the regular 4-pocket sleeves. I have to order a special kind. So I'll link them down below on where you can buy some that will fit these. But oh my god, yes, I've been actually wanting this one. To be honest, I actually wanted to pull Minno's Polaroid because he's been wrecking me. They all have, but Minnow especially. Yay! I'm happy with that pull. And then I'm gonna put that there. This is their Taiwan lyric sheet. So, you know, just a lyric sheet. Nothing special. Alright. Thank you, Changbin, for being a good bookmark. Alright, so let's move on. Okay. Yeah, that's like, sorry if my my reaction isn't like really like great. I mean, it's just I already seen these. I mean, just it's a good repackaged album, so there's not really much to it, and my lighting is just horrible. There's John. So now we're moving on to the I Am You section of the photo book. Oi. Woojin, yes. Yes. I remember this clearly. I just love Stray Kids photo shoot. Their photo shoots are so good. Like, they know how to use up the space. And then there's Hyunjin looking all good as ever. Oh my god, Hannah has been low-key wrecking me too, so. My boy. Oh, Sungmin. My little son. I didn't, oh yeah, and my I Am You unboxing, I didn't point it out, but their drawings are so adorable. Look at them. Kings. Wow. Hey. Oh. I really like this. This one was really cool. The Aussies. I like literally the other day was watching a video and had to get an Australian accent because I can't do one. I can't do accents. I was just so bored. I was just like, why not? Oh, Changbin, oh my god, y'all. All of them have been wrecking me. And I'm sad that I won't be able to go see them. Ooh. I just don't want to bend this too much, so sorry if I'm not showing it clearly. I just don't like it when it has creases, so. And there's an upside down cinnamon. More upside down pictures that they can't literally just. Stay still. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Felix. Oh my god, why? And then there's Changbin right there. And then they have members at the crease. I hate it when they have members at the crease. You guys know that. I hate it. And then we had a thanks to all over again. Oh, damn, Uchin, y'all. I love these boys so much. You probably already know that, but... I really like the picture. This is like my favorite one. Oh, my son. And that's a group poster that I have on my wall. And they're all looking so good. Like, I really like Felix in that outfit. Like, ugh, he can rock anything. They all can. And then, like, got Han and the priest right there. And then got the lyrics again. And then credits. And then I see myself in you. And then Stray Kids Things too. And that is so dark that you can barely see it. Credits. The end. And oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna put this here. Alright. Okay, so now let's see who we pull for this one, and I hopefully am praying that it's Felix that's in here, because I really need it. Okay, so I was only able to pull, it looks like I was only able to pull his Polaroid, which is okay. It's okay. Hey. Look at alright, okay, so I just gotta find his smaller PC, which is, it's okay. Oh my god. At least I pulled something Felix, alright. There we go, and then I pulled Sungmin. Yay, I don't really pull Sungmin a lot, so I'm very happy. Alright, so that is it, guys. I know it was kind of messy. I will be selling one of my copies of my IMU because, I mean, I don't need 2 copies. I just wanted it for the photo card. So, I'll try to sell it as cheap as possible if I can. But if you guys are interested, I will be selling this one. Just message me on Instagram if you're interested at all. So, yeah, yay, now I know who I need to collect, and it's not ready because apparently Stray Kids is having a comeback. Yay, so I need to focus on that too. So, depending if I can find all of these in between, I'll try my best, but I'm gonna try my best and complete these Taiwan cards because Taiwan cards are so hard to find and expensive to find. So, yeah. Until next time, guys. Bye.